Tonight we have the immense privilege of honoring a remarkable individual who embodies the very essence of our mission. The recipient of this year's award has not only shattered stereotypes, but has set a powerful example for our young Black boys. Nate Evans Jr. personifies the belief that acceptance and success comes from many forms. His journey serves as a living testament to the character of a man who has gone above and beyond for himself, his family, and his community. Please join me in welcoming an exceptional individual who embodies hope, resilience, and the spirit of possibility. Nate Evans Jr.
Fellas, thank you. Wow, man. First and foremost, I want to thank God, and I want to give a huge shout out to the boys in the Academy, those that have graduated, and also those that are just joining. I want to honor you because you've made this decision to literally change the dynamic of what your future looks like. So I want to let you know that in this room, you're loved, you're seen, you're cared for, you're amazing. Forget what society is saying about Black boys. You are incredible. And I want to make sure that I affirm that, right? And while it's beautiful, while I'm up here accepting this Real Model Award, I understand my true assignment this evening. While it's incredible for us to get together and get dressed up, and we look amazing, y'all look beautiful in this room, by the way, the reality is that we need to focus on how do we invest in our boys to take what's happening in this room to the next level. Because whether y'all believe it or not, what RB and his team is doing is not normal. So I share all this to say that this is the real deal. We can't talk about change, we can't want change if we aren't willing to be a part of that change. And like I said earlier, are we getting in the game? You trying to be a champion of Black boys? Or will you just be a fan? Because we don't need any more fans. We got enough. But we need people who can pour into this next generation because they are incredible and they're going to take things so much further than we ever could have.